but I'm gonna put it at the end. I'm gonna enter a few keywords in front here. So how I'm gonna find the keyword to enter here? It's simply by looking on Amazon for a keyword with less competition. It is very important to enter in the beginning of your title and in the beginning of your brand, and in general in your title and in your brand, keyword with less competition. What does it mean?
Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write Amazon merge listing the proper way. We're going to use the keyword that we gathered together yesterday on top of a few more, and I'm going to explain you why. So if you remember on the video that we did together, we gathered those keywords here, and I asked a few questions as well. The first one was, who is this designed for, why they're gonna wear it, and how they're gonna find it. When I was reviewing the list here, I noticed that these keywords are kind of generic, so I wanted to go deeper, and this is exactly what you have to do. You have to go deeper, especially on this question: who is this designed for? So doing that, I found a bunch of other keywords. The design is for fishing lover. The design is for fishing dad, fishing mom, fishing grandpa, fishing grandma, fishing uncle, fishing aunt. You may ask yourself, do we even have an Amazon fishing uncle? Let's go and find it together. If I type in on Amazon fishing uncle, you can see that we have. This means that someone or multiple or a lot of person typing fishing uncle looked on Amazon for fishing uncle shirt, fishing uncle gift. So that's why I took this keyword. Again, fishing boat owner, fishing boat captain, fishing boat worker, fishing officer, fishing mate, fishing guide, fishery officer, sport fishing. These are all the keywords that we're gonna use for our listing. So the way I'm doing my listing is that you go to your Amazon and you click on this create on top here. I used to open it in another tab just to make things easier, but you can just double click on it. Just click on it and it will work. Then you upload your design. You click on the artwork, you select your design, and it will appear here. So now we are in the listing. As I said yesterday, because I rather be fishing our design is a well-known quote, I would like to have it on the title. So I'm gonna enter it, but I'm gonna put it at the end. I'm gonna enter a few keywords in front here. So how I'm gonna find the keyword to enter here? It's simply by looking on Amazon for a keyword with less competition. It is very important to enter in the beginning of your title and in the beginning of your brand, and in general in your title and in your brand, keyword with less competition. What does it mean? If I go to Amazon and I type, I rather be fishing t-shirt, 4,000 results. If I go to my keyword list, the one that I found here. I type in fishing lover t-shirt. Enter 4,000 results. This is too much. I don't want to enter this keyword in my listing. I will enter it, but not in the title, not in the first part of the title. So in this list, I'm going to look for a keyword with less competition. So I take the other one, again, fishing that t-shirt. I type in 5,000 results. Fishing mom t-shirt. So I'm going to just type in here mom t-shirt, 8,000 t-shirt. Okay, so now I take the next one, fishing boat owner t-shirt. Fishing boat owner t-shirt. $702. This is good. So this means that this keyword, I'm going to put it like, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to look for another one, maybe with less competition. And this is exactly what you have to do, guys. Do not take the first one and put it in your title or in your description and so on. All of these keywords here, we're going to enter each one of them. But in your title and in your description, you have to enter the one with the less competition, because it's a very crowded niche. So we have to find those hidden gems. Let's check this one, fishing boat captain t-shirt. Go back to Amazon again, fishing boat captain, 130. Guys, if you find any value, please like and comment. I found value on this video. This really helped the channel. This one, 130, even better than the owner. I'm gonna put it like in green. Let's go down. Fishing boat worker t-shirt, 131. So again, in green, it's a very good one. Fishing vessel, I put here jobs because I can enter even jobs in the description. If I go to Amazon again, I type in fishing vessel, and you may ask, will it even appear on Amazon? Yes, people are typing fishing vessel hat. So fishing vessel t-shirt, let's find out how many competition. Enter 138. And then when I go even down on the listing that appear, I don't see any vessel here. Let me type in Control F and vessel. When I find out that in the listing that appear on this page, no one entered vessel in the keyword, in the listing, in the title, or in the brand. So do you think that if you start your keyword, your title, or if you enter fishing vessel or fishing boat captain or fishing boat worker in your title, do you think that Amazon will not show up? Amazon will show your design, guys. I tell you the truth. Amazon will show your design. Now, if you make a very good design, a catching design, certainly you will make sale. And once you make sale, your t-shirt will be there forever. And Amazon will continue to show your t-shirt to other people because it's sold. Amazon want to make money even more than us, guys. I tell you the truth. So they're gonna show your design. They're gonna give you a chance. They're gonna give your design a chance. And if it is good, if it's a good design, it will sell and Amazon will promote it for you. So guys, this is exactly what you're gonna do. So for my keyword, then I will enter here fishing. I'll go back to Amazon, and I will enter here fishing boat captain. I rather be fishing. And it's good to enter a capital letter in front of each word. I rather be fishing. Amazon will add t-shirt at the end, but we even have 18 more characters. So let's go back to our list. So we enter fishing boat captain. I'm gonna enter it like in red. I'm gonna choose worker, captain, worker. Again, I don't need to repeat fishing boat, because it's already there. If I have the place, I will enter officer, and that's it. And if you like the video, please consider subscribe and comment. So guys, based on the keyword that we found together here, I wrote this listing. Title: fishing boat captain, worker, officer. I rather be fishing. Amazon will add t-shirt here at the end. The brand: fishing lover, fisherman, fisherwoman apparel. The bullet one: this funny fishing tee with graphics that says I rather be fishing is for men, women, boys, girls, fishing boat owner, fishing mate, fishing guide, fishing dad, mom, grandpa, uncle, aunt that love fishing and sport fishing. Fishing, all sport fishing. Okay. Bullet 2: if you like freshwater fishing, saltwater fishing, or your fishing job, then grab these fishing clothes. Okay. And I'm gonna say here cloth. And I'm gonna enter here, grab these fishing clothes. Okay. So when I go to Amazon, I type here fishing clothes. It's here, but I think fishing cloth is not there. Fishing cloth even exists. Fishing cloth. Okay. So both of them, both are working. And grab these fishing clothes. And then I'm gonna copy here the bullet one and paste it in the description. Again, I'm gonna paste the other one here. Now this extension here will check the trademark for me. I click on trademark. Rather be. Now let's check if rather be is a trademark. I click on it. You see, we're gonna click on this. We will go to the USPTO, and we are seeing that dead, cancelled, and validated. So we are safe to use this one. Of course, we should have even do this trademark check before doing the design and so on, but for the sake, I just took this one. I knew it was pretty safe. If you is not really a brand, so you can do that. So now once it's done, now you just publish and upload. We click on publish, review, publish, and that's it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.